Hey everyone! Today I've got an incredibly exciting topic to explore: how to make money through the Temu affiliate program. Prepare yourself for a deep dive into powerful strategies, clever tactics, and insider tips that will help you maximize your earning potential on this dynamic and fast-growing platform. Every step is meticulously outlined, and each concept is broken down with precision, ensuring you gain the expertise needed to navigate the intricate world of affiliate marketing like a seasoned pro. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to thrive. So grab a notepad, fuel your curiosity, and get ready to embark on a thrilling journey toward success. Ready? Let's dive headfirst into the world of Temu and unlock the door to unlimited financial freedom and exciting new opportunities. Number 1. Discovering affiliate opportunities on Temu. To kick things off, head over to the Temu website or app. Once you're there, your first task is to locate the sign-in or registration option. If you're new to Temu, don't worry. Signing up is easy and straightforward. You can swiftly register using your Google account credentials or any other available options. Once you've successfully logged in without any hiccups, it's time to embark on your affiliate journey. The next step is finding the Affiliate Click for Cash section. Don't stress about locating it. It's simple. Scroll leisurely to the bottom of the page, and there it will be, waiting for you like a golden opportunity. Once you've located it, give it a click, and you're officially on your way to exploring the incredible affiliate marketing opportunities that await you on Temu. Number 2. Your referral link, the key to affiliate success. Now, let's get to the exciting part. When you first access the affiliate section, you might already see a little bit of cash in your account, which is pretty cool. However, the real excitement comes when you unlock your very own referral link or code. This link is the key to your success and is absolutely essential for earning commissions. Think of your Temu referral link as your golden ticket to potentially massive earnings. The best part? Temu offers a highly competitive commission structure. You can earn up to 30% commission for each new user who places an order through your referral link. Additionally, there's a neat bonus. You'll earn $5 for every app download that originates from your link. That's right, even if someone simply downloads the app, you get paid. But wait, there's more. Your referrals don't walk away empty-handed either. They receive some pretty sweet benefits as well, which makes it even easier to spread the word far and wide. So share your referral link generously, whether it's with friends, family, or across your social media platforms. Not only will you increase your earnings, but you'll also help others discover the fantastic products and opportunities available through Temu. So grab that link, share it with enthusiasm, and watch as your network and wallet both grow. Number 3. Strategic product research. Choose wisely. Now that you're armed with your referral link, let's talk about choosing the right products to promote. Success in affiliate marketing isn't just about promoting random items. It's about strategically selecting products that resonate with your audience. This is where research and a deep understanding of your followers' interests come into play. Imagine this scenario. While browsing online, you come across an astronaut galaxy star projector. It immediately catches your eye, and you can already envision your audience being equally captivated by it. You recognize that this product has the potential to strike a chord with your followers and drive sales. But how do you make sure your audience connects with it? First, save a high-quality, visually appealing image or video of the projector to your device. High-quality visuals are crucial in affiliate marketing because they not only capture attention, but also spark curiosity and drive engagement. A great image can make all the difference in convincing potential buyers to click through and make a purchase. However, visuals alone won't seal the deal. You need to think about how to present the product in a way that speaks to your audience's needs and desires. Consider highlighting its unique features. For instance, its ability to transform any room into a mesmerizing galaxy. Use this angle to build a narrative around how the projector could enhance their space, inspire creativity, or serve as a perfect gift. In affiliate marketing, success comes from consistently discovering products that resonate with your audience and presenting them in a way that compels action. Always be on the lookout for trending, exciting, and unique items that align with your brand's voice. The right product, paired with the right strategy, can take your affiliate earnings to the next level. In affiliate marketing, success comes from consistently discovering products that resonate with your audience and presenting them in a way that compels action. Number 4. Amplify your reach. Promotion on Pinterest. Now that you've identified a product to promote, it's time to showcase it on platforms that will help you amplify your reach. Let's focus on one of the most powerful visual platforms out there, Pinterest. Start by logging into your Pinterest account. Locate the Create option, and this is where the real fun begins. Upload that captivating picture or mesmerizing video you saved earlier. Make sure the visual content you're uploading grabs attention immediately and stands out among the sea of pins. Strong visuals are the cornerstone of any successful pin, so take your time to ensure the quality is top-notch. Next, you'll want to craft an attention-grabbing title for your pin. This is absolutely crucial for getting eyes on your content. Your title should not only be catchy, but also incorporate keywords that people are actively searching for. For example, a title like Astronaut Galaxy Star Projector, Transform Your Space would be ideal. This not only describes the product, but also includes search-friendly keywords that will help your pin appear in relevant search results. But don't stop at the title. Your pin description is equally important. You'll want to seamlessly weave the product's features into the description while maintaining authenticity. Be sure to mention key details like the price so potential buyers know what to expect up front. Don't forget to include a call to action. Something as simple as "Get yours today" or "Shop now for a limited time offer." And here comes the secret sauce. Paste in your Temu referral link or code directly into your pin. This will ensure that any purchases made through your pin are tracked back to you, ensuring you get the credit and the commission. Once your pin is live, it's ready to captivate Pinterest users far and wide, potentially earning you those sweet commissions. Number 5. Maximizing your affiliate earnings. With your Pinterest strategy in place, you're well on your way to affiliate success. But the key to long-term success is consistency. Rinse and repeat this process for various products that align with your audience's interests. Keep experimenting with different products, visuals, and marketing tactics to see what resonates best. And remember, even if someone just downloads the Temu app using your link, you still pocket a cool $5. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. So, roll up your sleeves, dive into action, and let the earnings roll in. The more you share, the more you'll earn. There you have it, your roadmap to affiliate marketing success with Temu. By following these steps and consistently applying your newfound knowledge, you'll watch your affiliate earnings soar. Whether you're promoting star projectors, trending gadgets, or niche products, the opportunities are endless. Until next time, keep hustling, keep promoting, and most importantly, keep chasing your dreams.